Today, I am going to cook spicy, very spicy. Sawadee everyone! Monday, new recipe! I'm Nin. Welcome to my channel. So, the dish of today is extremely popular in Thailand. Thai people eat it all the time. The name is Kra Pao. By the way, you guys sometimes ask me where to find the Thai ingredients. So, I have put link in description. Go to have a look. If you buy using those links, I will get a small commission that would help to support the channel. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! Fish sauce, cooking oil, minced pork, Thai holy basil, red chili, garlic, black soy sauce, and soybean sauce. I will start with Thai holy basil, then garlic and chili. Grab Thai holy basil. Just pick up the leaves. Then remove tip from the chili peppers. Ready for the garlic? It's easier to peel if you pound it first. Time for spicy. Pound it well together. Until you have it like a paste. That will be spicy. Let's cook now. Add cooking oil. And spread it out in your pan. When your oil is hot, add chili garlic paste. Stir it for 1 minute. Then add minced pork. Stir it again and then let it stick together. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soybean sauce, 1 teaspoon of black soy sauce, and mix it well. Add Thai holy basil. Mix again. And done. It's spicy, but for my cameraman is spicy, of course, but for me I can add a little bit more chili, so it's very good. You know, most of Thai people, when they go outside and they don't know what to eat, trust me, they will order Pad Kra Pao for sure, because it's simple but delicious. I know what I'm missing right now. Fried egg. You guys should topping with fried egg. It will be more delicious and it's very good combination. Wow, bon appetit! Hope you guys like it. This is probably the Thai dish you have to try because it is part of everyday life for Thai people. Very simple, very easy to cook, and very delicious. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to receive a notification when I add a new one. Also, chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ And that would help to support the channel. Very easy, no? But I speak too fast. I will speak a little bit slow. You like that? Okay. We will start with Thai only.